When you received this machine, first contact the servo motor here. I have this one, and they have a number in it. Don't you contact the contact rate, not this one, to control this one. We will have a problem, Only here have a number. Master right. Okay. 7 and 8. This is this, and 10 is here. Is turntable, and here we don't remove it. Only remove here, and contact this one, and this one. And to here, and this line, will together the board. This one is water tank. Water and welding power. This one we will go here, not go here, because this here is not a toe power. Toe power is here. This one is toe, and when you touch this one, here is must go up. Then get this one, This one is servo driver box, and this one is water tank, and this one, sorry. This one is robot box, and this one is water tank, and this one is servo driver, and this one is welding power. Here have a number. Number here. Press B and press B button. B number, and A. Here is A. This one is the report. You must know. This one is go up, and then turn this one. First turn here, and the second turn here. This one is top power line. Here is 380 voltage. 1, 2, 3. And this one here, and the black and the yellow is 220 voltage. The same, the green and the yellow is 220 voltage. And the red and the yellow is 220 voltage. Must contact the right. Not here is not PE. Is N, L1, L2, L3, N. You know. Ever use the clean workstation? Clean workstation. This one is gas. To the gas. First, let the go here. You know, must. And we now turn on the machine. Only press this button. When turn on, you can turn on the machine. Turn on the welding power is here. You know? If you not use it, please turn off. And this one is work tank. Here is turn off. This one is clean workstation. When the controller is turn on, first login. We use the this one. Password is 128 123 4 5 6 8, and then please OK. And you know, when you receive the machine, first check the server driver. If great or not great, you know. Here is the number is the means is server driver is ready, you know. If have aluminum alarm, must let me know. Okay. When you receive the machine, the server driver will clear zero. Clear zero. I will send you how to clear zero the menu. Which code needed to clear zero? Which permits need set it? I will set the number. And when you after set the permits, then turn off the machine and then turn on machine again. Check again. If not alarm, then now we here. First report when you receive the machine. Report is not this position. You know, we must let the robot will go here. You know, right? And now in setting and basic setting and zero when you receive the report the 7, 8, 10 exercise need to clear the zero. Clear the zero, the controller zero here. J5, J7, J8, J9, J10. Here is not zero. Must reset it. Only please this one. J7, yes, please, okay. And reset 8, reset 9, reset 10. This one here is 10. Sorry, this one is Chinese. I don't set it because this one is set by tooling factory. Okay, not this one. Yeah, because when you receive the report is not there. Is not stay zero position. Only after you set 7, 8, 9, 10. Set 7, 8, 10. 9 is robot track because the server cable we don't use it. Don't remove it. We don't remove it. The zero we are in controller. When you remove this cable, the zero must reset it. Only set 7, 8, 10. After receive the 10 and choose the position. Or cut. And then press this button and press the BK. The robot will go home. You know.